Hello fellow traders. So today the markets didn't push, and that's what we wanted to see. You know, these resistance lines that I've been pointing out are definitely holding, and like I said, I'm a firm believer right now, and I'm not worried about my position in FAS. Thanks for the comment last night on the reverse split. Was definitely aware of it. Doesn't bother me. We're still getting the same leverage. Same thing's going to happen. It's either going to split up to 10 and fall to 5 or fall to 250. Doesn't matter. Thanks for the input. Since we're on this subject, I love the video response from El Salvador today. You know, that statement I made last night where, you know, we're alone because our friends don't trade. When you're a regular Joe and you've stepped above and managed not to go into debt and managed to open a business, or however you saved your money, because the market's the only thing you can't go in with credit. You can get leverage, but you need cash. We know that. And you need cash to play in the market. Everything I envisioned is coming together here with Big Wet Stock Talk, this sweet little community for real traders. You know, I'll even get focused hard on a certain trend or pattern, and El Salvador could have been pointing out a nasty reversal. You know, beautiful head and shoulders formation. I love to see it. Thanks for making time. That's what I'm talking about. Let's put our heads together, learn from each other, learn from my mistakes, like I said last night. Beautiful. I also gotta say that I can't believe this Sears article I read last night regarding they're gonna, you know, pay a 1/12 of your payment each month you're out of work and pay your entire bill off. Amazing what they're doing to keep from reporting all these defaults. See what's going on? Just like my neighbors and my friends that I'm talking about that are finally getting booted out of their houses. The numbers haven't hit yet. Check this out. I'm going to start tonight with the riffin. Remember this? It's beautiful. You know, it held, it, you know, found resistance, broke down. We're coming back up. Is it going to hit it? I don't think so. Because now here's our IPO opening day. Look at that, right across our tops here before the big breakdown. That's where we're battling right now. It's beautiful. Things are looking like they're going to play out really nice there. I'm going to show you like a little something on the Dow here. Off of these lows. Okay. This was a nice, you know, comfortable downtrend, you know, nothing too dramatic, you know, crashy, you know. This is healthy downtrend, just like, you know, coming up through the, you know, 50s and 60s and 70s. It went nice. Then we had our massive spike in the 80s to, you know, 2008, and that's when the 6,500 drop. If you remember that stock talk, I came off of all the lows in the 70s, and it pointed right to that, and that's why I said this is it, if you remember that night. Okay? So I'm just bringing this up because this is a scenario that can, you know, definitely happen here. Okay? Right here could be our channel for a drift down. You know, they only got a couple more weeks where this thing can be above 9,000 because as the weeks go by, it's drifting, you know. I'm still calling for a breakdown through here. I don't think this is going to come into play, but it's something to look at because that was our channel until we broke down, and, you know, we're definitely back up in it. Here's the one I always liked, remember? After this first little breakdown before the last climb of 2007, see the pros were already shedding right here. See that? Look at that. But look at that right off these bottoms here. You know, that's what we got to ask ourselves right now. You know, I'm still holding strong. I'm not changing my position because that's what I'm still calling for. You know, we fell through this channel. We like never even rode this channel, see? So 7,200, remember, there's our little break, you know, right there. Look at the Dow's even got a nice head and shoulders, just like we seen from our fellow trader tonight. It's beautiful, you know. Something else I want to show here too is we're like starting to like battle these other areas now on the Dow. And this is a key one right here where it was finding support after the November low. You know, the Dow's right underneath that, so it's slipping. Okay, and these are going to be tough to get back above, especially with things falling apart now and all the uncertainty and Sears coming out down at the bottom of CNN's page or wherever I read it, Market Watch or Bloomberg, way at the bottom. I mean, it's just amazing, you know. They're going to pay for all your appliances if you have any on credit. I'm going to close tonight out. I actually have a fellow trader close to me. I've taught her everything, and she's really bringing some stuff to the table, and she brought this to the table tonight. FDO, Family Dollar for a call option. Earnings are the 7th or the 8th. You know, whoops, I went a little low on that. So let's bring that back up, you know. But here we go. I mean, it's come down and it's filling the gap. I think this is definitely good up to 30. You know, we could come down right under 28, but I think it's good to 30. I just wanted to point this out because this is just what we look for. If anybody's out there with their bat on their shoulder right now, that's why we all got to point stuff out, because someone might be sitting there waiting right now. And look at that. Bam. This is like almost this is pretty low risk, especially if we get a down day tomorrow and you get this thing under 28. You know, it came back to fill this gap right here. Remember, when things start getting worse, these Family Dollars and Dollar Trees, they pump. Yeah, with this YouTube, we don't need to be alone, you know. And you got to remember that this is no movie. This is no game. It's real life. Let's get this thing trending down. Good luck.